Now the next question is convert the following temperatures into Celsius scales, in which first question is 300 Kelvin. As we know, when we have to convert Kelvin into degree Celsius, we have to subtract 273 from that. So 300 Kelvin is equals to 300 minus 273. It comes out to be 27 degrees Celsius. Now when we have to give 573 Kelvin, that 573 minus 273, it comes out to be 300 degrees Celsius. The same is, what is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius? As we know that the water becomes in the vapor form at 100 degrees Celsius, that it becomes to boil at 100 degrees Celsius. So at 250 degrees Celsius it exists in gaseous state, or at 100 degrees Celsius it exists both in liquid as well as in gaseous state. Now the next question is, for any substance, why does the temperature remains constant during the change of state? As we know that when the change of state, we are providing the temperature, so the temperature is used to change the state of the matter. During a change of the state, the temperature remains constant. This is because all the heat supplied to increase the temperature is utilized as latent heat, that is hidden heat, in changing the state by overcoming the force of attraction between the particles. Therefore, this heat does not contribute in increase the temperature of the substance. That is why there is not change in temperature takes place. Now the next question is, suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gases. How we can liquefy atmospheric gases? As we know, there are two major factors, that is pressure or temperature, which plays a major role in changing the state of matter. By applying pressure and reducing temperature, atmospheric gases can be liquefied. So these are the questions of page number 9. Now next, the questions on page number 10, in which first question is, why does a desert cooler cool better in a hot dry day? As we know, in a hot dry day the evaporation rate is faster, so it evaporates the surrounding heat and the surrounding area becomes cool. The answer is given here. In a desert cooler, the water inside is made to evaporate. This evaporation absorbs energy from surrounding. On a hot dry day, the amount of water vapors present in air is less. The water present inside the desert cooler evaporates more, thereby cooling the surrounding more. As we know, on a hot dry day the water vapors are less, so the evaporation takes place by absorbing all the heat from the surrounding, so the surrounding area becomes cool. That is why the desert cooler and that is why a desert cooler cool better on a hot dry day. Now the next question is, how does water kept in a earthen pot becomes cool during summers? As we know, there are tiny pores inside the earthen pot. There are some pores in an earthen pot through which the liquid inside the pot evaporates. So by doing evaporation, it absorbs energy from the surrounding, so surrounding becomes cool. This evaporation makes the water inside the pot cool. In this way, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool during summer. Next question is, why does our palm feel cold when we put acetone or some volatile liquid on it? As we know, the acetone is a volatile liquid. When we uh, uh, when we fall it on our palm, it absorbs the energy from the surrounding area and gets evaporated, so it becomes cool. When we put some acetone or petrol on our palm, it evaporates. During evaporation, particles of the liquid absorb energy from surrounding, making the surrounding cool, hence the palm feels cool. Next question is, why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer than a cup? As we know that the evaporation depends on the surface area, and in saucer the surface area is more as compared to the cup, so evaporation takes place faster in a saucer as compared to the cup. It is given over here. Now the next question, the last question is, what type of clothes should we wear in summers? we know that cotton clothes are the good absorber of sweat or water. So we should wear cotton clothes in summer, as cotton is a good absorber of water, thus it absorbs sweat from our body and gets evaporated. During evaporation, particles gain energy from the surface of the liquid of the body, making the body cool. Hence, we use cotton clothes in summer so that the whole of the body sweat get evaporates and the body feel cool. This is all about the question answers of blue box.